Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariam if you're new here, and if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much you guys for stopping by. I know you guys, I haven't been on YouTube for a very long time. I'm trying to be back here because I have been super tired, you guys, and unmotivated. I don't know, because of the weather, because nowadays it's raining like most of the time and it's super dark outside. You can even see by the the quality of the video. Thanks to my new camera, now the quality is a little bit much better. If I had my old camera, I couldn't be able to film this video. So today I'm going to be recreating Pinterest outfits. Yes, you guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. But first, I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got from Net. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is one of my favorites. Is this maxi denim skirt in this dark gray color or black, because from the website it says this one is black, and here it says dark gray color, and I got this in size 34. It was €54.95, and they have this in so many different colors, you guys. They have this in light blue, in gray, light gray color, and they have this in off-white color and light blue color. And this is the detail from the back. This is how it is. It has this Net logo here, and this is the front, you guys. It has very good quality, actually same quality as the one from Mango, but I prefer this one to the other one because the other one, it had this style here which I really didn't like, but this one, it's giving just simple denim skirt, and it has raw hem down. It has a very good quality. What? I really love the quality of this, and the color of this skirt is just perfect. And another thing that I like about this is the length of the skirt, you guys. Actually, the other denim skirt that I got from Mango, it was super long, so I was thinking to cut that down because it had raw hem. But with this one, you don't even need to cut it because it just has the perfect length, you guys. Okay, the outfit, you guys. I really love this. I had to go a little bit back so that I can show you guys from up to down. This is the outfit inspo. She's wearing this black knit sweater, almost similar to mine, you guys, but I think it has a turtleneck, and she's wearing black glasses, but I'm going to wear mine just simple glasses from H&M. And my boot, they're from Zara. I got this last year. I don't know if they still have this online, but I'm sure they have something similar, or you can find something similar online. I'm running out of breath, you guys. And another thing, you guys, she's wearing a black and gold belt. Mine is just simple belt from H&M. This is the outfit, you guys. Actually, I really love this outfit. Can someone take me to dinner right now? Another thing that I got, you guys, is this striped oversized sweatshirt. I really love the quality of these two, you guys. I didn't expect this quality to be this good. It has very soft material inside, you guys. Let me show you. It has this very soft fabric inside. The camera focused on me instead of focusing on the sweater, you guys, but it has very soft fabric. I got this in size S because this one is already oversized, and this one was €34.95, and this sweater comes in different style too. I mean different colors. It comes in red and white color, which is so nice, you guys. I wish I took this one instead of the black and white because I have so many black and white striped sweaters. And it comes in another color which is gray, or darker gray, or light green color. I'm not sure, you guys, because on the website doesn't say anything about that. So yes, you guys, this is their outfit. As you can see, she's wearing this black tailored trouser. My tailored trouser, they are from Nat. Actually, I have this pair in 3 different color: black, dark gray, and cream. They have very good quality and they are super comfortable, you guys. I am going to put the link of this in the description. And she's wearing these black sunglasses. Actually, mine, they're a little bit similar to hers, you guys, as you can see. And Converse. Luckily, I have my old Converse. They still look good. As I said, you guys, I'm not going to wear a bag in this video. And she has this beautiful red lipstick on. Luckily, I have red lipstick too. Mine, this one from Dior. Actually, I collaborated with Dior last year and they gave me a different type of red lipstick, but my favorite is this one here. And yeah, so this is the outfit, you guys. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is this off-shoulder red top with long sleeve. This is how it is, you guys. I am going to show you here a picture because I tried this yesterday and I took some pictures. I'm going to show you here. I got this in size XS, actually from Next website. They have this in size XX small and X small, but this one I got in X small. If you have like same size as me, I would advise you to go with XX small so that you can get that like a little bit of tight look, because this one it little bit loose but not like super loose, you guys. You can get away with that. It was 29.95 euro. This is the next outfit. It's getting a little bit darker now because it's winter, but look at this outfit, you guys. I am giving myself this outfit 10 out of 10, you guys, because I really love this. Like, are you kidding me? As you can see here, the girl, she's wearing dark gray baggy jeans, but I don't have dark gray baggy jeans. I had to wear this one from Zara, and I'm wearing even these kitten heels. And she has sunglasses with her, but I'm going to wear mine so that I can show you guys well the outfit when I'll be out and about. Like, after recreating all these outfits, I'm like, I think I should be doing more of these recreated outfits so that I can have more outfit ideas. Okay, the next thing that I got, you guys, is this black knitted sweater. Actually, this is super soft, you guys. I don't know why. I love to wear black, but I have like one black sweater or two. So when I saw this one, I had to get it. And it has this low neck, just simple, and I got this in size S because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized but not too oversized, because I wanted to style this with skirt. This is the outfit, and I'm wearing a bag. I know I told you I wasn't going to wear a bag with this outfit, but this one here, I think it needed a bag. And yeah, so this is how it is. And so sorry for the quality, you guys. Now it's getting darker. It's winter here in Italy. So yes, this is the outfit. She's wearing tailored trouser and I'm wearing mine from Next. And she has this black knitted sweater, so a little bit similar to mine. You can go wrong with black sweater, you guys. Okay, and she's wearing white sneakers. I am wearing my Air Force One. And I really love her coat. Actually looks so similar to mine. This one I got from H&M last year. Actually, this is my second time to wear this coat, you guys. I really love this because I got this end of winter, so I couldn't be able to wear again. So I think this winter I can wear more this coat, you guys. I really love how simple and chic this outfit is, you guys. And yeah, so comment down below which outfit is your favorite. I would love to know. Another thing that I got, you guys, which is my favorite too, you guys, I've been looking for a very long scarf like this, and this one, it has very soft material. Actually, it says from the website, this one is soft braided scarf. This one is super long, you guys. You can see even here from the model like how long this is, but I'm going to show you right now like how long this is. Especially now that it's cold, this is going to be so useful, you guys. I can't wait to style this because I've been seeing videos on TikTok and Instagram how to style scarf. So this one will be so useful, you guys, especially now on winter because I hate cold, you guys. This scarf was 29.95 euro. It comes in this black color and beige color, brown and off-white, light beige, navy, the one that I have right now, and light yellow. So you can see here already, you guys, those colors. I got this hand cream because I have very dry skin, you guys. Like my hands get super dry around winter, so I had to get this hand cream. Let's see if this is nice, you guys. Okay, it comes in this like very cute tube. We are going to try and see. The cream was €9.95. Going to see. Okay, it smells so good. It smells like butter, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on my next. Bye bye.